led to a party. Everything turned to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. Then I wonder, oh, it all, it just don't realize how much I love you. Since you go home now and get an itching head, so I give her the car keys and she helped me to bed. And then I tell her, I said turn on the light. Say my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Wala ba kayo mga kamay dyan? Ano naman yan? Wala nang ano eh. Eto, sa ngayon, si birthday mo na to kasi birthday mo eh. Happy birthday! Walang bayad yung pagka-vloggers ko. Siyempre, siyempre. Lagyan mo ito. It's not mine. Have you ever seen the wind? She's young. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, I'll wait in the sunny day. I know, shining down like a water. And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain inside. I know, been that way for all my time. Temporary on it goes to the circle, fast and slow. I know it can't stop. I wonder. Sabi na.
Charge.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. coming down on a sunny day. Wala bang kamay yan? Happy birthday.
Sino may birthday ka?
Ikaw, kasi mo.
Ako?
Oo, siyempre. Happy birthday. Kawin ko kayo. Happy birthday.
Hi.
I love so. Pero ayaw na pag pag-signal at na. Many times, wish you were here to the velvet shadows of my dream. Many times, wish you were here to the darkness as it came, but it seems that you never said what I needed to hear. Just tell me you love me, whisper what I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed, let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, if believe the way to your heart, to the nearest silent, love me. Quietly waiting for the memory born of our first kiss. Patiently waiting for the moment you would take me to the world that I've never seen that girl before. Just tell me you love me, whisper what I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed, let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, if you lead the way to your heart, to the nearest of silence, love me, love me. Thanks, salamat po niya. Para ng ano, ako may birthday, ang hirap ha. Dalawang araw ka lang dito, back to ano ka na, Saudi. So my breath, take me now. Take me now, ha? Take me na kaya.
Siyempre, always.
I need, baby, I need your love right now. And I want, baby, I want to show you how. Come on, you know that we waited long enough, and now it's time to the lovers. I try to be only one with you, and it's but baby it's worth it all for you, and it's making me wait for you this way. I can't go on, so come on, say come to the feeling I've been dreaming of. Take me now, take me back. You got surprising me in love that never lasts. I know we haven't known each other long, but it's still some things in life just can't be wrong. decide it's up to be up to me and you, and it's dark time. We said before the table made us one. Look back over all the things we done. But now, baby, I need to love right now. I can't go on. So come in and take me now. Take my love. Make come true the feeling I've been dreaming of. Take me now. Take me far. You can trust me, your love. Never loves you. It was me now. Take my love. Make come true the feeling I've been dreaming of. Take me now. Take me back. You can trust me, your love. Never loves.
Tagalog tayo.
Sa ako ba kami mga Tagalog na lalo ko yung mga request nila. Hindi lang pag may lalabas pa sa akin. Kasi di ba ganyan yung baga? Takot mo ng pahit na pera. Ha? Maganda yan?
Here I am, playing with those memories again. Just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you. Feel like I never loved you. But it's never far of me is try. Only you can feel that place inside. So there's no self-pretending. My heart is not melody. That's why just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories can cross into you. I just can't go on without you. Oh my own, try to make the best of it alone. I done everything I can to ease the pain. Hey, Roger, stop the rain. Just can't live without you. It's everything about you. Just when I thought I was over you, just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories can flash into you, and I just can't go on without
pumapasok sa accounting. Nag-level up. Kasi may magagamit ako ng bibigay nila ng ibang bansa. Kasi nakita nila naman nila. Yan, dahil sa may account na account siya. Ay, hindi ko kumakanta yan.
Walang yan. Kasi yung voice ko.
Hindi ko, mataas yung bakit may ganda akong pinupunta.
Try mo lang.
Sige. Hindi ko kaya.
Balik yung mga Tagalog tayo. Hindi ko ibabalik.
Sabi mo. Kung maibabalik ko lang yung anong alin.
Yun, yun. Ibabalik ko lang natin.
Babalik ko kayo ng asawa mo, sige okay.
Ah!
Babalikin ko kayo dahil sa aking pagkakas. Ay! Wala!
Sayang ang mga sandali pinalipas ko. Naroon ka na, bakit pa humanap ng iba? Ngayon, ikaw ang pinapangarap, hinayaan ko ang lahat.
Hindi ko kaya kasi.
Bakit ba pagsisisi laging nasa huli? Ang mga lumipas di na maaari balikan. Sayang, bakit ako nag-alilangan pa? Tuloy ngayon lumuluwag at nang hinayang.
Bading eh.
Balik ko lang ang dati mong pagmamahal. Kung maaari ka, balik ko lang ang dating ikot ng mundo. Ang gusto ko lang sa piling mo.
Ha?
Sa'yo, masama natin.
Ha?
Masama natin.
No? Andiyan lang yan.
Kahit pagtapos
Mundo Ang gusto ko pinagdala sa piling mo. Kung may pagdala
ang daming ikot ng mundo. Ang gusto ko lang sa bibig mo.
Lento. Ewan ko, kanina lang eh, wala ako po. Ay, dumila ako pag...
Dapat may dati naman.
Lento kasi na ako, dati ako pag...
Dapat may dati naman malamig.
Lento lang naman. Mild lang naman. Mild.
Ilang balik mo?
Wait, saan pa kayo? Nag-swimming pa kayo?
Sa dagat.
Dagat.
Overnight kami 2 days.
Hanggang sa'yo. Sailing, I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing, sunny water, to be near you, to be free. I am flying, I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing like to be with you, to be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So the dark night far away, I am tired, forever trying to be with you. Who can say? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So the dark night far away, I am dying, forever trying to believe you. Who can say? Alam mo kay Chance? Hey, hello, birthday to me. Uy, pinapan mo, bigat-bigat. Ay. Sailing, we are sailing home again across the sea. We are sailing stormy water to believe, to be free. Dami kayo mapapagod sa Saudi yan, ha? Papalit ko lang ng to be free. Near you, to be free. Hello. Ang video ko nasa Saudi na.
Ano?
To be free. Alahin mo, pinaglalaro ng video ko sa Saudi. Ha? Ito, ano, pag kumakanta na ako, sa YouTube ang ano. Sa YouTube, meron ako ito. Yan ang mga dyan. Pinagabalik ko naman yung county. Ano ako. Kasi wala yun, dinaan niya ako kasi kinukuha ko kasi namin ito. Ano pinapayaran. To be near you, to be free. Sa Google lang, meron ako sa Google. Sa Google lang. Kaya ako hinawakan dito. Pero minsan, ano pa sa binundan. Bilang sila yung nagkita ako sa akin. Kung may kumakalaw, hindi ko galing tayo. Diba?
Ito na sana.
Hindi, dire, ayaw lang pa pwede siya.
Di ba niya ano doon sa
Titignan mo yung mga kanta na dito. Tapos na ako na yung basta papasok na lang sa video mo lang siya. Para di mo na napapakinggan. Hello. Idol ko yun, idol ko. Ay, idol.
Di ba?
Hindi ko tanong, nawawala yung boses. Pinasa ng bata itong paninda na, matilas na.
It's a dream together with you, was so she said. But I knew I heard strangers' voice before. Turn to look into your eyes as she moved away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak my name. They said first love never was right. Waiting for the memory inside it now. We stumble over words belong to you. We talk about the dream we lost or given up. Well, then we should come tonight. Lost your silence one more as last rainbow toward you. Those summer nights we were young, the birds of tea, we never died, we were dreamers, only dreamers. And in our race to grow up soon, let all innocence disapprove. Eh, sagay lang, nabulil ako. Adi ba natin? Ay, nakakabulil.
Ha?
Nabulil ako.
Bakit?
Sorry, nabulil ako.
Sorry.
Kinain yung,
Ganda, ganda
kinain,
nun.
kinain yung kanta. Nabulil. Nabulil bigla eh. Nachok, kinain yung kanta. Ano ko babit ang binili? Sino naman naman sila lang po. Sila lang sila. Kaya ko pa. Ako siya nasa kanya.
Wow!
Happy birthday ko, ate. I will run into the midnight sun. We'll still run around, roll my mind. Restless heart, sleep alone tonight. Turning on my love the wide. Say that the road remains the place for me. Right down the line, it's been you and me. Loving music, man, and always supposed to be.
Pumunta ko inang bitin.
Nine na.
Na ano, pinaka-capture ako ng iba.
Oh, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours. Faithfully. Parang Arnold Pineda lang, yun. The journey. Ano rin? Circus light under the beats that walk. We only around to make us smile. I not just like so wasting time. Always another show. Wondering where I am, lost without you. Being part of me, see all this life. To stranger life, to fall in love again. I get a joy of rediscovering you. Oh, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours. Jollibee mo na ba, Jollibee?
Kaya mo balik ako kumakain. Ako kumakain. Okay, nakakayo yan.
Oh, oh,
Pati nalamunan ko.
Baka ginamalalang mo.
Nanganap ka yun.
May tagay ka ba?
Ha? Pero, hindi ka naman sa'yo nga yun.
forever yours, ever yours. Faithfully.
Medyo. Kaltugin mo yung head lang sa lunin, paluin mo.
Yeah!
Paluin mo Okay na.
Okay.
Okay na po. Ang bigla ako nila.
Hindi, sa malamig yan.
Hindi ko lang masyado malamig yan.
Unwrap holiday deals here on Shopee. Check
Hirap na nga sa
up to
PPP.
99% off plus free shipping voucher. Celebrate the holidays with our amazing
Tagalog.
deals. Merry Shopee Christmas! Download Shopee
Ayun na
now.
yung close me down.
Yan. Alin na yun? Try mo lang.
Ano ba yung tatry ko dyan?
Yan, one moment.
Kaya ko ba yan? Yung mga
Ayan mo ito.
mataas yung mga ano eh. Kay Whitney Houston yun eh.
Ano naman yun?
Ha?
Asan dyan? Yes.
So my Lord is Lord. I don't want to talk about it. And that I can tell by the eyes that you've probably been quiet forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you, they only were. And I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I say just a little bit longer, if I say won't you listen to my heart? Whoa, my heart. If I stand all alone, will the shadow hide the colors of my heart? Blue for the tears, black for the night. Fear the stars in the sky, dumb and not pay you tell you. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I say just a little bit longer, if I say what you listen to my heart. Whoa, my heart. Hello. Hello, my friends. Bagong pass din ako.
Ganun lang. Yan daw.
Ano mga pansaya ko kumatin? I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke this old heart. If I say just a little bit longer, if I say what you listen to my heart. my heart. Broke my heart.
Nahihirap din sa akin ng mga gabi. Hindi na ako. Kaya marami na hirap sa akin. Kaya magaling mo lang. Ito, pa ako sa kanila. Ito, like ito, pumasok na sa Bigo Live dito sa nag-edit ako sa kaya mo yung kaka. Dire-diretso lang ako. Kasi pinili namin yung kanta ko.
So the Beatles. Naririnig
Sa'yo.
mo ang Beatles. So my Beatles. This song's dedicated to all of you. I was dreaming all the time. But my heart was beating
Silipin mo yung sama natin dyan.
fast.
Silipin mo.
Kaya mo yung
Bakit?
I began to lose control. I began to lose control. I didn't mean to hurt
Silipin mo
you.
yung pamangkin ko ah.
Discover.
Silipin mo
I'm
yan.
sorry that
Tan mo na siya.
I made you cry.
Balik ako.
saan ba dyan?
Sabihan ko siya, siya na lang magluto.
Kaya,
Ha?
limang,
Diyan lang.
oh, limang pulutan.
Ha?
Limang pulutan. Si Chiria. Ha? Yan mo lang na lang.
I was feeling insecure. You might not love me anymore. I was shivering inside. I was shivering inside. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry that I made you cry. Oh, but I didn't want to hurt you. I'm just a gypsy. My name is RJDA George. Let me see. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry that I made you cry. Oh no, I didn't want to hurt you. I'm just a jealous guy. Sige, sabay niyo ako. Ginawa na I was trying to catch your eye. I thought that you were trying to hide. Pag ito'y natin sa tapat, sa uli ko I was showering my face. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry that I made you cry. Oh,
Hindi po, kasama nila yung mga ano doon, kasama nila yung mga nag-ayos ng motor. Delikado tayo.
Just a pieces, the man I used to be. Too many feet of tears are raining down on me. Far away from home, I've been facing this alone for much too long.
Nasa yung kasama natin.
No one ever told the truth to me. Of going out, what struggle it will be. And my tongue got still of
Yan
mine.
lang naman.
I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you. You cannot make your mind. Turn the queen to lover, the love you leave behind. Ready for disaster, you should never reach the side. Too much love will give you everything. Alam mo nasa plug. I am just the shadow of the man I used to be. And it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring no sunshine. Now it's ever do, it's bring me down. Like me, you were standing in my shoes.
Ito na pala siya.
Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? Just to make it sense of me. Never where I go, I found the view. No. Too much love will kill you. It's the surest line of all. I pray that the powers that's in you make you please scream and fall. I pray they'll make you crazy with the pieces of the grind. Too much love will kill you every time. Kabilaan yan, no?
Bilaan.
Ay,
Baka pagdating na, pagalitan.
magkakaroon na ba?
Manap mo.
Ito, ano.
Love English.
Bakit ito, bro?
Kasama natin sana.
Ito lang.
Dito.
more. Eyes are rolling like the shadows from a wall. Nothing was now, let them to sacrifice. I saw the children of the south. How they will, how they will, how they die. Do you ever ask yourself, so heavenly sky, why can't we stop the fire? 'Cause we all live under the same sun. We all look under the same moon, yeah. Then why can't we leave us more? Sometimes we're change, going mad, but listening all we had. No one seems to care, yeah. But still my heart doesn't change. We got to erase and bring our words of love, yeah.
Walang lasa.
Ang lasa na kayo.
Yan o.
Sarap na eh.
Wala.
Ay, ganun talaga yung medyo.
Lumaman ka.
Ay! Pati na ang bali. Ang bali sa kumangang.
Just wish you could be someone, 'cause we all live under the same sun. We all under the same moon, yeah. Then why can't we leave us one? 'Cause we all live under the same sun. We all look under the same moon, yeah. We all live under the same sky. Basta salamat po sa $20. Paki-check na lang po sa account. Kahit hindi ko kaya kung teka. Kasi, ayun eh.
Sige mo muna pa rin.
Bakit na ba?
Sabay tayo. Ha?
Ano yun?
Wala na sa kanya.
Ano yun? Meron ka naman?
Hindi, sabi ko dun sa kasama natin. Wala na sa kanya.
Saan ba?
Ayun.
Oh, you're like a waiting,
Yan.
that you can't stay. Now that I have found you, you must not slip away. Oh, it's hard to leave it, the words you heard before. Darling, you must trust it just once more. Baby, goodbye, doesn't mean forever. Let me tell you goodbye, doesn't mean we'll never be together again. If you wake in a night like this, I won't belong away.
Palitan ko.
'Cause the things you do, like goodbye girl, bring me back to you.
Anong video ba palitan mo? Wait, tapos na ba yun?
Next na naman.
Ano yun?
I know you've been taken pray too hard again. Fight the love you feel for instead of keeping it in. I can wait forever and everything you see. I was meant for you and you for me. So remember goodbye doesn't mean forever. Let me tell you goodbye doesn't mean we'll never be together again. So we may be so far apart, we still will have my heart. So forget your past, my goodbye good. It's now your romantic. Parang nahirapan ako.
Next natin yung video.
Pwede next mo, ano bang video mo ba?
Next natin.
Alam ko. Wala ganda na sunod yan kasi.
Hindi na ganun. Sunod-sunod na video.